This tutorial shows how to import watch products in the Timenox app and add them to your store menu. After installing the Timenox app, the first step is to purchase a plan. Once your plan is active, you'll be able to make the necessary setup changes. From your app backend, go to the Settings tab. Here, you can import our sample watch products to get started. If you already have your own watch products, we can help integrate them into your store. You can also delete sample products at any time and re-import them as needed. Make sure the watch filters theme is enabled to ensure smooth functionality. When you're done, click Save to apply the changes. Next, let's add the watch option to your store's navigation bar. In the back end, go to the Content section and select Menus. From here, open the main menu. Click on Add Menu Item, then enter the label name and the page link. Save your changes, and the watch option will now appear in your store's header navigation. Finally, navigate to your app front end. Here, you'll see all your imported or integrated watch products now live and accessible to your customers. And that's how you import watch products and add them to your store menu in the Timenox app. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to add filters for your watch products in the Timenox app. From your Timenox app backend, go to the Advanced Filter tab. This is where you can control which filters will appear on the front end for your customers. The Advanced Filter section is designed to give you full flexibility, so your store can highlight the product attributes that matter most. Here you'll see a complete list of available filter categories tailored for watch products. These include brand, model, condition, papers, case size in millimeters, bracelet, dial, bezel, and year. Once you've made your selections, click Save to confirm. Next, navigate to your store's front end and click on the Filters option. You'll see all the filters you enabled now available to your customers. They can use these filters to refine their search. For instance, selecting a particular brand, narrowing down by year, or focusing on watches with specific bracelet and dial types. This makes browsing smoother and helps shoppers get to the right product faster. And that's how you add and manage filters for your watch products in the Timenox app. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to add your own products in the Keyideas Timenox app. From your Timenox app backend, go to the Product section and add product. After adding the product, you can enter the name and description and upload the product images. You can also assign a category to the watch so it appears in the right section of your store. Next, set the pricing for the product, and if needed, add a Compare at Price. You can also configure inventory and shipping options. If your product comes in variations, such as different strap materials or colors, you can create variants within the same listing. You can also set the product type, add a vendor, assign it to a collection, and add multiple tags to make it easier for customers to filter and find. You can get the tags by going to your app backend under the Advanced Filter page and clicking the eye icon beside the filter name. From here, you can simply copy the tag and apply it to your product. Once all details are saved, go to your app front end. On your watch page, the product will now appear under the appropriate filter for shoppers to browse. That's how you add your own products in the Keyideas Timenox app.